I'm going to show you how to replace the toilet fill valve. Keep watching the video. Welcome back. It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do do-it-yourself videos, product reviews, vacation videos, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. The first thing we have to do is shut the water valve off. So I'm just going to go ahead and shut the water off to the toilet. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the top cover off of the tank. Now that the top cover is removed, what you're going to do is you're just going to drain all the water in the toilet tank. Until there's no water left. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to disconnect the water supply hose from the fill valve. And to do that, you're just going to go ahead and just twist that off until that comes off. Like so. Once the hose is off, you now have access to the clamp that is holding the toilet fill valve on. Now there's always a little bit of water in the tank. What you're going to do is you want to get a little bucket or something and just hold that underneath because the water will come out. So you're just going to go ahead and start loosening that. And if you can't loosen that by hand, you might need some channel locks or something to loosen that. With that clamp loose now, just twist it off until it comes off of the fill valve. Just like that. Next, you're going to want to disconnect anything that is holding it in, such as this white hose. So that's free. And I'm now going to move this fill valve, and the water is going to now fill up into the bucket. Now the toilet fill valve is ready to come out. Just like that. I'm going to leave a link down below in the video description for you to get one of these. We're ready to install the new toilet fill valve. Let's open the box up and see what we have inside. So we have our instructions. Go through that if you do need to. And here we have our one-piece fill valve. And it also comes with your nut and various parts depending on what you have on your toilet. So this is the fill valve. It's fully adjustable. There is a new seal and also a hose that you can also use. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting this in. Keep in mind you can also adjust the fill valve for your toilet based on the size. So the first thing we want to do is we want to adjust the fill valve based on the size of your tank. So how to do that first, before you screw anything in, just put it in where it sits down so you know that the lid is going to close and everything's going to be okay. You can also do another adjustment later on once you install the fill valve. So this is perfect height. Nothing is going to obstruct or hit into the top of the tank. So this is the perfect height for the fill valve. So the next step is to screw it in. So with the fill valve in the correct position, I'm going to take the new nut, and it's got a nice little spot here for you to tighten. And I'm just going to go ahead and secure that by tightening the bolt onto the fill valve. Tighten that all the way, nice and tight. Don't over tighten it, but hand tight should be sufficient. You can always give it a little bit more tightness using the channel locks, but don't overturn it. Like that. Now we're ready to hook up the water supply to the fill valve. Go ahead and turn your water supply back on. Now, while the water is filling up, you want to check to make sure you don't have any leaks. And wait for that to fill up, and then you're going to do all your final adjustments. So now, as you can see, I want the water to go a little bit higher, so I'm going to use the adjustment knob here to adjust the water level, and you'll see that it will start to keep filling. You want to get it to whatever level you want that to. Typically, it'll be around the same level as your old fill valve. And then once you're satisfied, you're finished. There's one more thing I am going to mention, is you'll see this switch here, and it says water and bowl. This will activate this hose and either send more water down to the toilet or just fill the reservoir tank. It's whatever you want, however you want to operate, and that's what that's for, this hose right here. I'm going to leave a link down below in the video description for you to get one of these. So that's how you change your toilet fill valve on your toilet. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos, share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below. We'll see you on the next video. JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.